Hey y'all, what is up? It's your girl Samara, aka MelaninPrincess. So in this little short vlog, y'all, I'm gonna basically show you guys my new apartment in Jacksonville, and I am super excited. So I just wanted to show you guys basically how my apartment looks empty, and then I'll show another vlog of my apartment basically looking furnished, you know what I'm saying? So other than that, just keep on watching. And also, just a disclaimer, this is not something to brag about or anything. This is just for motivational purposes, or just an idea of like apartment shopping and things like that in Jacksonville, or whatever the case may be. But hope you guys enjoy.
What's up?
Hey yo, Ren, turn that up. She said, show me some affection.
Show you guys a glimpse of our unfurnished apartment. So, welcome to my MTV cribs. Let me close the door. And I gotta lock the door because there's some crazy folks out here. But anyway, y'all, so this is the kitchen, and I'm in love with this kitchen. Y'all can see these are some heavy, ritzy, luxury looking cabinets, which I surely love. There's so many cabinet space. We can literally put all of everything that we need in here. There's so many rooms for we can put our pots and stuff. I really like the stove. I really like the stove top and the oven. This electrical room. Okay, so the electrical is gonna get super hot, so we do need to be careful on that, but I really love it. I really love the appliances so far. Like I told you guys, like literally, we have so much space in here. I love it. Like, I'm really loving it all. I love the sink, because when your girl washes her hair, you know, she got some room. And I really love the holes and stuff like that. Dishwasher, of course, whatever. We also have valet, what is it, trash. So we just put our trash outside and things like that. This is going to be the living space. So you guys will see it once I furnish it and we do all that. This is basically like our bar setting. Yes. So I'm going to show you guys the back real quick. So this is our patio, y'all. And then we basically have a cute view. Come here, come on. So this is our view. It's really cute, you know. It's given, yeah. Okay. And then I'll go to the bathroom first. So this is our bathroom, and I love this bathroom. I wish we had two sinks, but I'm only out here temporarily, so it doesn't really matter. This bathroom is so cute. I love the big wide mirror, because your girl needs all types of mirrors. Of course, guys, the extra storage and things like that. Y'all gotta come check out this bathroom, because OMG, this bathtub is too cute. You know what I'm saying? It has the marble back slab, all of that good stuff. Super cute, super cute. Also extra shelving here. Just put our towels and things like that. You know, let me turn off these lights because your girl's trying to save as much power as we can. Then this is our washer and dryer, things like that, you know. And then this is our bedroom. It's super cute. I really like it. And then, as you guys can see, this is our walk-in closet. And I love the fact that they gave us enough space because me and my boyfriend have so many clothes and so many shoes. But this will be enough to like put, y'all will see the finished touch, but I am super excited, y'all. But let's go back to the kitchen. So yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys can see that you can be in luxury while you're in pharmacy school or medical school, whatever the case may be. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.
What's up?
Hey, yo, Ren, turn that up. She said, show me some affection. Show me some affection, fuck her then I move on. Yeah, I keep that too long, tripping in that V-long. Yeah, we want our freedom, freedom that's behind bars. Pull up in that NASCAR, hop out with that mask on. Fuck you and your damn boys, I don't give a damn boy. They ain't no little boys, I keep on going hard. I keep going hard, nigga can't get laid off. Nigga, I'm my own boss, I don't take no pay cuts. Nigga, I'ma go off, I don't know them niggas, so them niggas cannot come off. Over here, my niggas keepin' pistols on them. I keep the baddest bitches with me, I don't want them. But you can have them, all my niggas sharing on them. I just got 2 bags and I'm spinning with my homies. I met my dog up in the sky, I'm pouring bottles out of ace of speed, I swear that's on my God. Yeah, and they know anything I got, nigga have it. I get her what she want and she ain't mad. I put them carrots on her wrist and on her neck. I get that shit from the back when them she wet. She told me beat the pussy up, you know I did it. You know I pistol whip that nigga if he trippin'. I give a fuck what niggas say cause I be different. Pulling up the money in the safe and then we spend it. We just put the money in the safe and then invest it. I got hosies coming around, they stripping, getting naked. I ain't spend no bands up in the club, but we was rapping. I got all my niggas in this bitch who kept it 100. All my niggas bout to get that money, we be running. Running up and running shit up, yeah. You might get your niggas hit up, yeah. I know all my niggas get up, yeah. Told them I never give up. Everything I got came from the bottom, sit up, yeah. Hit that nigga up and leave his ass in the casket. Yeah, you know a nigga fresh like I'm up in the casket. I got 2 of these bitches tryna fuck me, getting nasty. She look like mulatto, I ain't laughing.